Hi friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can design an umbrella in Catia v5. So we are basically going to start the design with surfaces. So we go for the surfaces, the surface design when design is complicated and it cannot be created. That kind of surfaces cannot be created in the part. We go for GSD or wireframe and surface design. So to start off, I'll select the sketch and select the YZ plane here, and once we're on that plane, all the different tools will be aligned here, and just go ahead and create a part of a circle or an arc. So you could go for a 3-point arc and click the first point as the center point, the second one, and the third one. Alright, the next important thing that you need to take care of is this one. I'm not going to do this on a particular dimension here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that how you could design such kind of surfaces as well. So if I'm going to put the exact dimensions and everything, it's going to take a long time. So the main thing that you need to follow if you want to get the design right is select this line here and this line and go for tangency. Okay, and you could select the arrow and pull out this point and just imagine in your mind how the curvature of umbrella would look like from the side view. So something like this makes sense for me. So you could put it here, and if you want, you can put radius for this, so it gets constrained. Right, now come out the sketch. What you could do now, you can select this plane here and you can go for create plane, insert. Not see the plane options over there, so that's the reason I come here. As you could put some options out, you can find the plane is coming up. Okay, this is where you'll find the plane. Okay, go for the create plane and go for angle normal to plane and make a plane maybe 15 degrees. Rotation axis is the z-axis. Preview. Okay, let it be like that. You don't have to worry about it. Just have to make sure that the plane comes here. So just make a note of this particular plane here, because we are going to edit that plane if we want to make some changes in the geometry. Okay, now select this particular line here, go for insert, go for transform, go for just switch it back to GSD, and now go insert, operation, symmetry, and select this plane which you created newly and click on OK. So that actually creates a mirror image of the line which we have created. So what we basically did is we created a plane so that we could mirror the line we have created. So basically how the design is going to be, we are going to replicate the surfaces. So before replicating the surfaces, we need to do some kind of some kind of curvature here. I'm sorry for that. Okay, now if you want to increase the thickness here, what you could do, you could select the create plane option here and go for a higher angle, and that will increase. So I wouldn't go for 20 degrees, so double click on the angle and maybe give around 17.5 would be sufficient. Okay. Now so let me just explain you the remaining part of this umbrella tutorial in the next video, because I don't want each video to be so long. So I think it's enough for this particular part. You have learned something. Please go ahead, and beginners, stay tuned. Thank you so much, and if you have any doubts or clarifications, you can write to me at catia.pro.user@gmail.com. And as it said in my cover page, that my official website is launching soon, so stay tuned with that, and I'll update all of my subscribers. And I thank all of my subscribers for supporting me throughout this more than 1 year of uploading tutorials on different softwares. So that's all. Stay tuned.